Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Superior Academy. As we are doing Tajweed course and we have done with few lessons, what we have done so far. In the first lesson, we did about individual letters, and also in the first lesson, we talked about bold letters. Then we discussed in the second lesson. Second lesson was about compound letters. And then we discussed about movements. If you remember, movements were like zabar. Then the second movement we discussed that was zir. And the third movement was pesh. So we discussed about movements. Then in the previous lesson we did about tanween. So far we have discussed all of these things. We have done with the individual letters, we have done with bold letters, we have done with compound letters, we have done with movements, we have done with tanween. Tanween is what, if you remember, the double movements. If I write here, the double movements. So in today's lesson, by keeping all of these things in the mind, we have to make the words now. The words that you see in Holy Quran. Like you say fa'ala, you say nazala, you say alaqatin. So these words we have to make now. Let's see. We are going to make the words. I am writing a word here. So now first you should know what are these compound three letters. So first red letter is fa, second letter green letter is ain, and the third letter that is blue in color, this is lam. So these are the compound letters that I just write here. Now if I put the signs on them, for example, the first sign is zabar, second sign is also zabar, and the third sign is also zabar. So now we have to read them. What it makes the sound. If I write the sounds here, fa zabar fa, second sound is ain zabar a, third sound is lam zabar la. So what does these three sounds make? They make a word that is fa a la, fa'ala. So we can also spell it again. Fa zabar fa, ain zabar a, fa a, lam zabar la, fa a la, fa'ala. So first example we have done with this one. Let's see the second example here. Now you should first know what are these compound letters. What is the first letter? First letter is ain. The green letter is lam. The blue letter, one of the bold letters as well. This is qaf. And the green letter last one is ta, rounded ta. So now these are four letters. Let me put the signs on them. So this is a word from Holy Quran. So we have to like spell it ain zabar a, lam zabar la, a la, qaf zabar qa, a la qa, ta double z tin. So it makes the word alaqatin, alaqatin. Let me write one more word here, then we will start from the exercise. So here the first letter, the orange letter is kaf, the blue letter is ba, the pink letter is ra. If I put the signs, kaf has zir, ba has zabar, and ra has pesh sign. So can you make the word now? If we spell, we will say kaf zir ki, ba zabar ba, ki ba, and raw pesh ru, kibaru. So this is kibaru. So if I read these three words, just say with me, fa'ala, fa'ala, alaqatin, alaqatin, kibaru. This is kibaru, kibaru. So let's practice from the lesson. Okay, ji. This is nazala, nazala. This one is khalaqa, khalaqa. Next one is sadaqa, sadaqa. Next one is jadaka, jadaka. Next one is balagha, balagha. Next one is taba'a, taba'a. Here the next one is ja'ala, ja'ala. Next one is fa'ala, fa'ala. Next one is nazara, nazara. Next one is dhakara, dhakara. Next one is kasaba, kasaba. This one is ibili, ibili. Next one is rusulu, rusulu. Next one is suhufu, suhufu. Next one is thuluthu, thuluthu. The next one is sudusu, sudusu. Next one is hurumu, hurumu. And the next one is rubu'u, rubu'u. Okay, ji. Next is this one is nafarun, nafarun. Next one is somadun, somadun. Next one is ghadabun, ghadabun. And the next one is la'ibun, la'ibun. Next one is udhunun, udhunun. And the next one is kutubun, kutubun. Here the next one is darajatan, darajatan. This one is qiradatan, qiradatan. Next one is alaqatin, alaqatin. Next one is safaratin, safaratin. And next one is shajaratun, shajaratun. Next one is qataratun, qataratun.